Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of TikTok ads and how they can unlock the power of viral marketing for your business. If you're looking to reach a massive audience and tap into the creative and interactive nature of TikTok, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the exciting world of TikTok ads, let's quickly talk about why TikTok has become such a phenomenon. With over 2 billion downloads worldwide, TikTok has captured the attention of millions of users, especially Gen Z and millennials. Now, let's explore the different ad formats available on TikTok. 1. In-feed ads. These short videos appear as users scroll through their TikTok feeds. They seamlessly blend in with organic content, grabbing viewers' attention with captivating visuals and sound. 2. Brand takeover ads. These full-screen ads appear when users open the TikTok app, allowing brands to make a strong first impression with visually immersive content. 3. Hashtag challenges. These challenges encourage user-generated content by inviting users to participate in specific trends. Businesses can create their own branded challenges to increase brand awareness and engagement. 4. Branded effects. TikTok offers a range of augmented reality effects that brands can use to create interactive experiences for users. These effects can be customized to reflect your brand's identity and leave a lasting impression. Now, let's talk about the advantages of using TikTok ads for your business. First, the vast user base. With over 1 billion monthly active users, TikTok provides access to a massive audience, especially if you're targeting Gen Z and millennials. Second, the creative freedom. TikTok's format encourages authenticity and creativity, so let your brand's personality shine through by crafting ads that resonate with your audience using humor, storytelling, or unique visuals. Third, the viral potential. TikTok's algorithm prioritizes engaging content. When your ad strikes a chord with users, it has the potential to go viral, reaching millions and significantly boosting brand visibility. And fourth, enhanced targeting. TikTok ads offer advanced targeting options, allowing you to refine your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. This ensures that your ads are shown to users who are most likely to be interested in your brand. Now that you know the advantages, let's dive into some best practices for TikTok ads. 1. Keep it short and snappy. Remember, TikTok is all about short-form content. Grab viewers' attention within the first few seconds and deliver your message in a concise and engaging way. 2. Leverage trends and challenges. Participating in popular TikTok trends or creating your own branded challenges can generate user engagement and foster brand loyalty. 3. Showcase authenticity. TikTok users value genuine content, so let your brand's personality shine through. Create ads that reflect your brand's identity and resonate with your target audience on a personal level. 4. Incorporate influencer marketing. Collaborating with TikTok influencers can extend the reach of your ads and tap into their engaged fan bases. And that wraps up our guide to TikTok ads. With its massive user base, creative freedom, viral potential, and advanced targeting options, TikTok ads can take your business to new heights. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. As always, stay tuned for more valuable insights, tips, and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of digital marketing. Take care and see you soon.